This video will take you through the basic video editing features available in Echo360. Locate the video in Echo360 that you wish to edit. Once you have the video open, click on the Edit Media link. Or, if you are viewing the video in a library, click on the three dots and select Edit Media from the menu. When prompted, click OK to continue to make edits. Note that this message is to warn you that edits made on this video will apply to all locations you have published the video. So, anywhere you have added the link or embedded the video will be updated by the changes that you make. If you don't want that to happen, you may wish to make a copy of the video first. Okay, let's cover the basics of the editor functions. The playback controls. There are 4 ways to place the playhead marker in a specific location. Play the video and pause it where you want to apply a cut. Click and drag the playhead marker across the timeline to the location for the cut. Or hover the mouse over the play bar and click in the play bar for the location of the cut. And finally, you can use the manual entry field to enter a specific time to jump to a location for a cut. You can zoom in and out on the timeline to provide you with a more precise view of the video. This can be useful to help you pinpoint moments of silence where you see the blue audio line drop. The spikes indicate periods of speaking or other noise. To trim the ends of the recording, you can use these trim handles at the start and the end of the video to top and tail your recording. To trim the start or end of the video, it is as simple as clicking on these handles and dragging to the desired point you wish to trim the video to. You can also use the top and tail buttons located in the playhead. Once the playhead marker is at the location you want to start, click on the top or trim in icon to the left of the scissors. For trimming the end of the recording, place the playhead marker in the location you want the video to end and click the tail or trim out icon on the right of the scissors. If you make a mistake, you can use the undo and redo buttons to restore or revert changes made. Now we'll go through how to cut a segment from the video. Put the playhead marker at the beginning of the location of the segment you want to cut. Click on the scissors icon to mark the start of the segment. Now move the playhead marker to the end location of the segment you want to cut. Click the scissors icon again to mark the end of the segment. You should notice the segment is now selected with the trim handles. If not, you can click in the segment to select it. Click the delete icon, the trash can, to temporarily cut that segment. Repeat these steps for each segment you want to remove from the video. You can edit a segment length by selecting the segment and using the trim handles to click and drag to alter the segment length. You can see this figure shows multiple cut segments. These are temporary until you save your changes. Once you are ready, you can use the Save button to apply all the changes you have made and publish the edited video. You also have the option to Save As, which creates a copy of the video based on the edits you have made. Remember, if you're saving a copy, it will not change the original video that may be published or shared to other locations, so you may need to reshare your video. Restore gives you the option to revert all changes that have ever been made to the video and restores the original video file. This option is only active if you open a video that had previous edits applied to it. If you wish to exit the editor without saving any changes, click the back arrow in the top left corner. Any work in progress will be saved within the editor, but will not be applied to the published media until you press the Save button. Please note that processing starts immediately after selecting Save, Save As, or Restore. However, processing may take some time to finish depending on the video length and the number of edits. This means that students or other users will not be able to see the edited version until processing is complete, and you should not try to re-edit the video until the initial changes are processed. The thumbnail picture of the video will update once the changes have finished processing.